Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to start a new language which is a very interesting one, which is Java. Java is a very popular programming language, and Java is used to develop mobile apps, web apps, desktop apps, and even games and many more. And we can do very interesting things with Java. Java is a very important language. So let us just start. So inside Java, everything is defined in a class. So first we are going to write class here. It is written package. So I've taken a package which is named as my project. And inside this package, I'm going to write my Java code. So first we are going to, Java is actually a very object oriented programming language. So everything inside Java is defined in a class. Let me show you. For the syntax is public class, and now we are going to give a name. Now why it is written public here? Public is written here because this actually declares a member's access as public. So public is actually a Java keyword. So let's just write this a name. The name I'm going to give here is public class my class. And now I'm going to give second brackets. In Java we write every syntax inside second brackets. So here we have given public class my class, and now I'm going to write another code which is public static public static void main, and inside first brackets I'm going to write string and args. Now I'm going to give another. Now here we have seen this is public, and now static means in Java programming language, it means the particular member belongs to a type itself rather than to an instance of that type. So this is the meaning of the word static. And what is meaning of void is that it will not return anything to us. It is like not returning any value to us. So we are writing void here, and main is actually a keyword. Main is the method that ensures the code inside it will be executed. So main is necessary for any kind of code. The string args is actually an array of sequence of strings or characters that are passed to the main function. So we will understand this but if we do this, if we execute a program. So now we are going to write another statement, which is system dot out dot println, and we are going to write here a hello world program, hello world, and just end it with a semicolon. So semicolon is necessary whenever we write any kind of statements like this. So if we run this one, you can see that here in the output window, hello world is printed. So this is our first Java code that we have written in Java programming language. Now we can also write comments in Java. So to write a comment, we have to give two forward slashes, and then we just write, for example, a comment. And this one will not be printed in our program. If we print this one, we'll never see this comment in our program. So now we can also write multiple line comments, for example, by using this syntax, by a forward slash and this, and after that we can just write, let's say this is a common, this is a common, and we can just end this one like this. So this is how we can start, and this is how we can end a multiple line comment. In Java, the various types of variables can be like integer or string or float or character or even boolean values, which stores like true or false rules. We can create a variable like this. For example, we can create a integer number, for example int num. Here int is, we are defining that num must be an integer. In Java, this is very important to define that what kind of variable we are taking here. For example, if this was not a kind of integer, or else if this was in kind of string, then we must have been we must write this string, that is string, and then we can write any kind of other string values. And now we just do uh, take a value of string, for example 9, and we have to end this one with semicolon. And now if we try to print the num value, then we'll see that 9 will be printed. So just running this, and we see 9 is printed. We can also declare variables in Java, and this is a very interesting feature of Java. For example, we declare a float value of, let's say, which the name is num2, and we just declared it. And now we can write num2 is equal to, let's say, 14.5. And after that, when we print num2, we can see that what will be printed here. As we print this, we see a error that it is not printing it. So why is this error happening? We see that there is an error in this project. So why is this error happening? So the error is actually happening because float actually takes a number of very lower precedence, and there is another value which we call double. Double actually takes a decimal number of higher precedence. So we can write double num2. So it will now print num2 as 14.5. So if we just run this one, we'll see that 14.5 is printed. So there are many other kind of variables. Next, we'll move on to Java operators. So what are actually Java operators? So let us say there are many kind of operators which are like, for example, plus, minus, division, and multiplication. Similarly, Java operators have just similar things. For example, we want to just add num1 and num2. So we must print in num2 plus num. So now we'll see when we run this that 14.5 plus 9, which is 23.5, is printed. So this is how we can add something. We can also like subtract this similarly, and it is 5.5. So this is how we can use the Java operators. And there are many kind of operators, like for example arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, and many other. Now, among all the operators here, equal to is one assignment operator. Here we are assigning the number 9 to the variable num. So this is what we call an assignment operator. And there are many other kind of operators. For example, we can also print it like that. Num is plus equal to 1. And what will happen is that num will increase by 1. So plus equal to means num, here plus equal to actually means num is equal to num plus 1. So the new value of num is num plus 1. That is the new value of the variable num is equal to 9 plus 1, that is 10. So now if we print num, we'll see that 10 is printed. So these are some of the operators. There are many other kind of comparison operators also, which are very much useful when we are working with conditional statements and other kind of statements. So today up to this. If you like this video, please like, share, and comment on this video. And please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to never miss a notification. Thank you.